Let me take a look at my face first. Yeah, let's go. Hello dear viewers, we continue the series of videos about our work. Right now, I'm in the office of our company, which develops devices and products to cure cancer. Also nuclear medicine and other scopes of application of radioactive isotopes in medicine. We have a lot of green plants in here, which is nice. We've been invested in this technology for 4 years already. We bought a company and began the development of it to take a leading position in the market, locally, here in Russia, and globally. Currently, we're #1 company in Russia in brachytherapy market. We own a factory and produce products to treat prostate cancer. We were the first company in Russia and the third in the world to make microspheres, known as microsources, for inoperable liver cancer treatment, and potentially, as some researchers show, inoperable brain cancer. Currently, we develop a series of devices that can provide us with extra profit and sales markets. Last week, after almost a year of negotiations, we signed a contract with a Chinese company, China Isotopian, which allows us to export our registered medicinal products to China. And we hope to start the export in the beginning of 2022 to increase the volume on the Chinese market and to be able to compete with other distributors of similar products. Also, we actively negotiate the supply of our products to the market with our Turkish partners, and we hope to start the distribution next year as well. We see the success of this product and are doing our best to continue developing it. In recent years, the total investment amounted to approximately $20 million. We plan on constructing a new factory which will allow us to scale the distribution and thus becoming one of the leaders in this area in this part of the territory of Eurasia. We work hard in this direction because nuclear medicine is a highly effective method of treatment. Our medical products and products developed by other manufacturers are not often that efficient because it's hard to deliver those to a tumor. It is due to the physiology, anatomical properties, and biology of the tumor and its ability to defend against external agents. We often see that a patient is being treated for a long period of time, getting a huge toxic impact because of the medical products, but still we detect almost no positive medical results. In case of using radioisotopes and nuclear medicine devices, we are almost 100% certain that we can guarantee the elimination of a cancer tumor. There are a few tumors that are resistant to radiation, but it rarely happens. Thus, we provide better, more efficient, and less harmful treatment to the patients. And this is the first factor. The treatment efficiency is crucial. Second, most products we make are medical devices, and we have to register those by a different protocol, which sometimes takes 2 to 3 years, and if we take drugs into consideration, it can even take 5, 6, and up to 7 years. We have developments that are in process for more than 10 years, and despite seeing a substantial effect, we still have a long way to go before clinical usage of the product and before registration. Because there are many side effects, we have to verify the methods of implementation, delivery, and so on. Working with isotopes, the effect is more predictable and we plan our work more rationally, introducing and registering new products faster. It means our production line will have less downtime and will get good results more often. That is why we have high interest in developing this area. A lot of companies invest in nuclear medicine and it leads to lowering the treatment cost, reducing time and negative effects of the treatment. Therefore, we expand our presence on the market and plan on producing at least 3 medical products. The first is for the treatment of non-cancerous joints, and the second product will allow us to maintain the needed radiational activity in any place of the occurrence of a cancerous tumor. It's a gel with microspheres which focuses the activity on a certain place, which is very important for inoperable cancer tumors that are located in hard-to-reach places. Many people with 0 chances for recovery are getting such opportunities now. We are also interested in creating and developing medical services. Nuclear medicine requires competences in physics, biology, and healthcare, and there are not a lot of specialists. Outsourcing for hospitals is a very topical technology. We serve a fleet of medical equipment, provide service and repair, and try to develop this area by creating nuclear medicine centers. As I said before, we have an agreement with the big Turkish hospital network and a university in Istanbul. And we want to create a center of nuclear medicine in Istanbul, not only to make products and drugs, but to provide professional service and support to help patients without interfering with the treatment process itself. If this project succeeds, we'll continue to develop this network, scaling the project, because such approach guarantees stable profit. You invest once building a center, and then through decades and more, we get stable, predictable profit, which makes a good platform for financial security of the company. The third project is producing a special bacteria which can deliver radioactivity straight to the cancer cells. This is a long process and a long project. We spent around 4 years on this development and we keep on doing it. And we plan on introducing it to clinical application. We carry out a series of experiments on animals and pick the right methods of creating such bacteria. And every time we have to literally reconstruct those to reach acceptable efficiency of this product. As for now, it's a scientific research, but we hope to get to clinical research soon. One of the most important aspects is that we have to get access to the isotopes we need. And we work with so-called beat emitters, which are in short supply occasionally. We plan on creating a reliable base of such isotopes to cover our needs or to supply those as a medical substance to the market, thus getting one more stable income. We signed an agreement with a big science center in Troitsk to create a joint venture company. They have a huge particle accelerator which allows us to get heavy isotopes like actinium or lutetium, which lets us make and export products based on those isotopes. We admit that our will to make everything top-notch and provide you with complete info about work as soon as possible is a little contradictory. Perfection is slow, imperfectness much quicker. That's why we show you the video we're able to make fast without sacrificing too much quality. We'll continue to inform you about our company and further projects regularly. Thank you.